Have you ever heard of or used Epazote in your cooking? It's a unique herb celebrated for its robust flavor and potential health benefits. Boasting a distinctive aroma and appearance, Epazote adds a touch of the exotic to your culinary adventures. But it's not just about taste. From aiding digestion and fighting inflammation, to even possibly relieving menstrual discomfort, this herb carries a whole host of medicinal uses. So let's dive into the rich history and benefits of Epazote together. Epazote isn't just about flavor, it's packed with potential health benefits too. For centuries, this herb has been used as a digestive aid, helping to reduce bloating and alleviate discomfort. But that's not all. Epazote's anti-parasitic properties have been recognized in traditional medicine, with studies suggesting it may help combat intestinal parasites. Epazote is also known for its anti-inflammatory qualities, potentially assisting in reducing inflammation in the body. And let's not forget about its richness in vitamins and minerals. Epazote is a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as essential minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. This herb doesn't stop at supporting overall health. It also contains antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect our cells from damage. From offering respiratory support to relieving menstrual cramps and even aiding in weight management, Epazote truly is a versatile herb. As you can see, Epazote is more than just an herb. It's a powerhouse of potential health benefits. Beyond health benefits, Epazote is a star in the culinary world, especially in Mexican cuisine. The robust flavor of this herb is truly unique, adding a distinct yet delightful twist to dishes. A staple in Mexican kitchens, Epazote is commonly used in bean dishes, where it not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to reduce the gas often associated with eating beans. Soups and stews also get a flavor boost from this herb, as do salsas, where it adds a piquant touch. But the culinary magic of Epazote doesn't stop there. This versatile herb can be creatively used in other ways too. Fancy an Epazote-infused oil? It's a great way to add a dash of distinctive flavor to your salads or pasta. Epazote teas and marinades also offer intriguing possibilities, opening up a world of flavors. Incorporating Epazote into your everyday meals can be a delightful experiment. Try it in scrambled eggs or sprinkle it on your avocado toast. With its distinctive flavor and versatility, Epazote can truly elevate your dishes. To recap, Epazote is a flavorful herb with a host of potential health benefits. Its digestive aid, anti-parasitic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties make it a healthful addition to anyone's diet. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. And let's not forget, its unique flavor enhances many dishes, especially in Mexican cuisine. From bean dishes to soups and salsas, Epazote brings a distinctive touch. So why not give Epazote a try in your next meal? You might just discover a new favorite herb. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of herbs.